This is one orthosiphon, that Orthosiphon rubra only, but the whiskers are very small unlike the other orthosiphon. Normally it's called as cat whiskers, and then that pollen bearing part is very long. Otherwise in every way it is having all the characteristics of that Orthosiphon. Orthosiphon rubra. So either it is Orthosiphon rubra only but some variation, or it's another species by itself. And leaves also a little bit different, like that, dark and like this, and that regular Orthosiphon leaf are a bit different. So this is one Orthosiphon whose exact species name I haven't got so far. It is also very attractive plant. That flower and all, color and everything is very nice.